Hey everybody, got a great deal of the day for you today. It comes from our buddies at American Powertrain. And if you're not familiar with them, they specialize in TREMEC transmission conversions for those of you that want to take an automatic out and put in a 5 or 6 speed transmission. Now the deal that they're offering is they're slashing $250 off of their ProFit transmission kits. Now these are complete transmission install kits. They include the transmission, they include the throwout bearing, the clutch, the cross member, the shifter, everything that you're going to need to pull out an automatic and put in a stick, or put a stick where one's never been before. So if you've ever wanted to do this, you got the time to do it now. American Powertrain is offering you the incentive to do it. Now, if you go with the TKO 5-speed transmission, you get free shipping. If you go with the Magnum 6-speed tranny, you get $100 off shipping. And they'll even throw in a t-shirt.